Welcome to Adult Health Essentials, your go-to channel for expert advice on nutrition, fitness, and overall well-being. If you're looking for simple and effective health tips, you're in the right place. Let's dive into today's topic. What vitamin E deficiency can do to your skin. Intro, 3 to 5 seconds. Does your skin look dull, dry, and older than your age? It might be because you're lacking vitamin E. What is vitamin E? Vitamin E is a natural antioxidant that protects your skin from harmful free radicals. It keeps your skin moisturized, helps repair damaged skin cells, and keeps your skin glowing and youthful. Signs of vitamin E deficiency. 1. Dry and rough skin. Lack of moisture, especially during winter. 2. Premature wrinkles. Without antioxidants, skin ages faster. 3. Dull complexion. Skin loses its glow and becomes lifeless. 4. Chapped lips. Lips often become dry and cracked. 5. Slow healing wounds. Even small cuts take longer to heal. 6. Dark circles. You may notice deeper under-eye circles. Natural sources of vitamin E. Almonds, sunflower seeds, walnuts, avocados, spinach, olive oil, fish oil. Natural vitamin E capsules, use with medical advice. How to use it for skin. 1. Vitamin E oil from capsules. Apply before bed on dry areas or all over the face. 2. DIY face mask. Mix yogurt plus honey plus 1 vitamin E capsule. Apply for 15 minutes and rinse. Vitamin E doesn't just protect your skin. It gives you natural beauty, glow, and confidence. If you want radiant and youthful skin, make sure you're getting enough vitamin E in your diet. If you found this helpful, like and follow. I'll share more natural skincare tips in the next video.